Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So let's get into this. So here I am just showing you that I am taking the excess cap off the wig. We aren't gonna need it anyway, so let's just get rid of that. And also this will be my first time adding a band because like I said, I never made a wig, a sewed on wig. So there was no need for me to make a band on any of my wigs that I've done before. So yeah, I was trying hard not to get close to the thread because I do not have doctor hands. I'd be so extra. So yeah, that's it. Pretty much just cut around the cap and boom. And there's your closure. So here I'm just getting ready to apply this band to the cap, and this is another method that I found out from another YouTuber. Basically you just instead of putting the band at the nape, you put it in the front. Also she was attaching the thread to the lace front, but I'm actually just going through the cap and the band. To each his own. I'm pretty sure it works the same way, but this is the way I did it. And then you always, make sure that first loop is secure. You want to do it once or twice. Man, you guys, I didn't expect this to be easy, but I didn't expect it to be this challenging either. But that just goes to show that, there's a lot of things that is going to be challenging. If you really want to do it, you'll learn new ways to do it, get it done. There's no excuses. I mean, that's if you're really wanting to do something. And this is what I really wanted to do. So it's challenging, but ooh, your girl be tired. It is so tiring, especially after you go through all the process and then you have to edit the video. Sheesh. I'm so determined though. That's another thing. Never let your dream go because you feel like it's going to be hard, because running away is the last thing to get something done or accomplished. Got to fight through it and learn how to, get it done. Not only that, when you finish and you get it done, you're like, oh, shoot, I got this. You be so proud of yourself. Whatever it is that you need to do, go ahead and do it. Don't wait too late. Kind of mad I waited. I thought that I couldn't do it, but what was holding me back was thinking I couldn't do it. And that was the worst part for me. Going and being in these jobs that I didn't really want to be into, when I wasn't really investing or anything, but everything going on around the world, I guess, just made it easy, made me, sit back and think like, dang, what is it that I really want to do? Do I really want to do this? Nope. So Thank God, but it's a lot going on in the world right now. Everything happens for a reason. Okay, so now I'm just attaching the other side. Practice makes perfect. Once you do it the first time, you'll get it the next time. So easily, so much quicker. You'll be on it. I remember there was times where I used to do all my quick weaves, and now that I think about it, I used to always rush. Like, yeah, it looks good on the outside, but on the inside it'd be all crazy. Even the quick weaves though, like you gotta just take your time, be patient, so your canvas or whatever it is that you're creating can look good. Like, you don't want to rush something and then you already been working on it for 3 or 4 hours, and then when you get finished you're still not happy because you're like, dang, it still look messy. Like, I don't know. It's like, yeah, you found the quicker way to go, but what was the outcome? Sometimes I just always try to keep that in mind because I'm like, dang, takes me forever, but I like to do things in a good manner so that, it looks good. I mean, if I'm working on it this long anyway, I might as well take my time. So yeah, that's it's like that with everything. You can't be in such a hurry, especially being a creator or entertainer or an artist, because you're gonna have an audience and it's like, gonna be judged. But this is a no judge zone. I'm still learning. Everybody still learns every day. Nobody knows everything. You learn stuff. Something is new, something is being created, something's being done, and in more advanced way. So everybody's still learning. We all still learn. I don't see how people be so quick to judge. Like, this is a no judge zone over here. May my peace be still. Nah. So here I am just making sure that it's snugged in on tight. We don't want it to go anywhere. Also with this, the band and everything, like if you measure it to the nape of your head, it's gonna be tight, especially if you are using a mannequin head to build your wigs, because most likely it's gonna be fit to your head. Like my mannequin is a 21, so with the band, it's already very snug, and especially if you're sewing it to your lace front, you got to be careful with that too, because I don't really have to tell you the rest, but I'm pretty sure you can figure it out. That thing is coming off. So yeah, this it's a very nice fit. I mean, this is my first time actually doing that too as well. I never even had anything to measure my head but my head. So having a mannequin that is my size head every time is phenomenal. Makes life so much easier. So here I'm just getting ready to fix my hair up. I am applying mousse. And I know this part is like the most stubborn part. I don't know why I tried to do this part first, but it is what it is. And I realized doing baby hairs on wigs is so much harder than when you have your actual real Baby hairs is like so stubborn. But here I am just playing around with the baby hairs. This is also my first time applying mousse as well. Like I used them like during other times, like if I was wearing a wig and I was at like a friend house or something and she had some, like that's the only time I would use mousse. So yeah. And this wig is very thick, and I can see why the girl that I was, the YouTuber that had commented on during my other video, um, I can see why she doubled the lace, the weft, in the back, and went single all the way to the top, because it adds more volume to the top of the head. So when I put it on, it just looks very full, like on the crown of my head. And so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and try to shave it down a little bit, get some of that volume off the top. And I went on ahead and added a few more of those loose pieces I had, and then just filled that middle section in. But at the top, it was definitely a lot of volume. And, you know, like I always say, it's a learning process. I'll get it. I know what I did wrong. Do it different next time. I'm lost in the sauce with them baby hairs. I don't know if I need to make them a little thicker or what, but I'm trying to figure it out. To be honest though, I really realized after I got done that I really didn't need a lot of baby hairs, probably just a little bit in the front. Ah, it's so satisfying. That mousse feels so good. Like the curls in that wig popped. Like that hair, this hair is amazing. There you go with that head. Make me want to just get a comb and stop popping it and say stay still. Ooh, look at them curls. So pretty. I'm in love with this wig, y'all. I will be posting another video soon. I have so many wigs just stacked up waiting for me to get into it. So yeah, I'll be posting more videos. So if you made it this far, you guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate the love and support. Um, be sure to look out for more videos. I'll be up here soon. Again, I'm out, you guys. Thank you.